Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. My name is Mariam Jasmine Saka and it's amazing to have you here. For my first ever video, I decided to do a Notion tutorial because I'm somebody that does so many things. I'm a student, I work, I have a book program, and I have a podcast that I'm working on. So I get a lot of questions about how I'm able to manage my time, how I'm able to stay organized, and how I'm able to keep up with many things. And it's all thanks to the Notion app. This is not a sponsored video yet, but I think it's something that's going to help a lot of people. If you're a student who is really interested in organizing their time, or you're a professional who wants to be on top of projects, Notion is the app for you, and this is the best video to help you build your Notion database. Considering Notion is not always very user friendly when you don't really know what it's about or how to really navigate it. That's why I'm here to give you a step-by-step approach on how to really create your Notion that suits you and your needs. Before we even get to the tutorial, for those of you who do not know what Notion is, it is an all-in-one workshop app that helps users organize their notes, tags, databases, wikis, and more. It's highly customizable, allowing users to create pages, add multimedia, embed files, and even automate workflows. Many people use Notion for personal productivity, project management, and collaboration. It combines elements of document editing, task management, and knowledge management in a flexible interface. It can be used both for personal and team-based projects. So you can install it from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. It's very useful and it's what I've been using for quite some time. At the end of the video, if you are convinced to use Notion, it will be amazing. And for those of us who are here to learn how to use Notion, let's get right into it. So two things are needed in creating your Notion. You need the Notion app or Pinterest or any other app that allows you to take videos, pictures, and GIFs. And that's the amazing thing about Notion, because you're allowed to import all these things to make a very customizable and aesthetic Notion. So this is a brief overview of my Notion. This is what I've been using. We have the cover, which is the pink side. I have a sticker, my name of the dashboard, which is Jasmine's Brain. I have pages that lead to things like my school planner. I also have a database for my everyday things, my to-do list, my schedules, everything I need to do. So this is my cover, my icon, my name, pages, stickers, memos, quotes, a timetable, vision board, and then a calendar. So I'm going to teach you how to create all these things in the simplest way possible. So on the left hand side of the page, you have a menu. This menu allows you to navigate your pages. So these are all pages that I have created. This also allows you to see your settings, try on templates, check what things you have deleted and move to the trash. And this is also the page where you create a menu where you create a new page. So let's create a new page. Assuming we are someone called Mariam, we can name our Notion Mariam's dashboard. So that is our name. We can add a cover. And the good thing about Notion is it has really good covers, many options available, and they're actually really good. But you can also get your own covers from Pinterest, which is what I use. On Pinterest, you can go search Notion covers, and if you're somebody that likes a specific color, so assuming Mariam is really into purple, we can have Notion colors purple Notion color covers, right? So you're going to see a lot of these. The good thing also is that you don't necessarily have to download these covers. You don't have to download anything essentially and take up so much space on your device. What you can do is right click. Assuming this is the cover I want, I right click, I copy the image link, I go back into my Notion, I change my cover. So if I want to upload a picture that's already on my device, I can upload the file. If I want to upload a link, I click on the link aspect and then just paste the link into the Notion. It takes some time. So this is what we do essentially. You can also do same with GIFs, the same process. You search Notion cover gifs on your Pinterest, copy the link, paste it same way. So this is essentially how you get a Notion cover. Then we have to add an icon. So Notion has really good icons, like assuming I want to use a plane, a purple plane. That's my icon. Now, I prefer personally for the page to be full width. So on this side, we can see that it's shifted to, I think, middle align. So you press on the three dots at the far right, the top right, and then you have your full width, you turn it on, and then it moves it, aligns left. And this is how I prefer it. You may prefer it in the middle, it's up to you. So now we have our dashboard. Now you have liberty to do whatever you want. If I want to create, for example, pages for my school schedule, for all the things I have to do, let's get started. So to get anything, you have to press /. And then you see all the things that have been come up. You have so many resources like creating a call out. This is what a call out is. So essentially it is daily schedule. And then you have pages to write whatever you want on this. So essentially it's just a colorful blank space. You also have the toggle list. You have image. This is how you embed an image. You have your bullet list, you have text, you have heading, you have numbered list, you have a to-do list. You can also create a page, create more call outs, quotes, table, divider, and so many things. So I'll show you the simplest ways. So you press a /. I want to create a page. I just start typing page, and I don't even have to finish typing because it already recognized that I'm trying to get to a page, and you press enter. This is a new page, assuming we are naming it Jasmine again. So let's just go back. If you want to know what page you are on, it's going to appear like a tab at the top. So that's how to create a new page. You can also create it in a gallery view. So we have / again, gallery. And this allows you to create many other pages. So for example, my school schedule, right? Then just create another page, work schedule, then maybe daily routine. Now because the pages are empty, the preview is also going to be. So if I type something like God is great, that is what's going to appear in the preview of the page. So in order to have a picture or any graphic as the preview cover, we are going like I have in mine, like this. It means that the graphic must be the first thing that appears in the page, considering that the first thing in the page is what is going to appear in the preview. So we can go to our Pinterest, get inspo like purple school aesthetic. So I have purple school related stuff. I copy image link, I go into my page, and I'm going to use this opportunity to teach you how to embed an image. So / again, image, embed link, then you paste your link, and then it should come. So can expand the page. So it's usually very big. You can also minimize it, so very small, and it will still be the first thing that is shown. So you can do same for the others. So many other things can be used. Copy image link. Once again, you go and you image, embed link. So Now that you've created your gallery view of pages, you can have it in this way, you can have it also in this way. I'm going to teach you how to create a quote and all other things. So for the quote, same thing, / type in quote. It should come this way. Then you begin. If your dreams do not scare you, then they are not big enough. And because Jasmine likes purple, we can add color to the quote. So you have this. When you press these buttons, this should appear. You have the AI, which is on the premium version. You can delete, you can duplicate, you can turn it into other things. So for example, I have a quote, I can turn it into a call out. This is how I turn it into a call out. I can turn it into I can turn it into a page, but we're maintaining it as a quote. So quote. Now we can color it, add color, same way. We have different, either you change the color of the text or you change the color of the background. And because we like purple, we're making it purple, and it's supposed to appear this way. You can move it any way you want. So I'm going to put it as a topmost page. Nope, not that way. But yes, this is how you can separate columns. So I can move this here, I can move this on top using the dots next to it. So yeah, like that. Now you can add stickers the same way you add the images. Image, embed link, go to my Pinterest, purple stickers. So something like this should work. Once again, copy image link, back to my Pinterest, embed link, paste. Then I can resize this. Once again, with the dots, I can move them here, right, and then move this page. There should be a black, almost transparent line, and then you can use to move your stuff. I can add a quote again under here. Quote, discipline is the key to success. I can color it again. And that's pretty much it. So you can keep doing this. You can either make a call out also and write your quotes or whatever you want. Right. I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list, which is the simplest form, and it's very simple. So once again, you / to-do list. Then I have to brush my hair, press enter, keep pressing enter. It's the same thing. And you can put a to-do list on anything you want. So I prefer, because I prefer more aesthetically, to put it on a call out. So I have a call out. Then I make my morning routine. That's the heading of it. I press enter, / to do. Then brush my teeth, take a shower, lay in my bed. So I can move this right underneath here. So you can move anything around any way you want. Now let me teach you how to create the calendar. / calendar. Then you have this here. And on the calendar, you can create pages. So assuming I have an exam on the 4th, I can create a page on that side, phonology examination. I have to do some things on my exam, so for my to-do list, study, pack student ID, buy stationery. So you can just do whatever you do on any page here. So that's my calendar. You can also move this same way to this side, and so on. You can do so many things. The possibilities are endless. So in my school schedule, for example, expand, I can add cover the same way. Then I can also create my another page. So page, but I prefer gallery view. So gallery view, we have psychology, we have English, and I can put the covers the same way, full width. So that's practically most of what you have to learn. So the possibilities are endless for Notion. You can add stickers, you can add so many things you want to do. And for even the preview images, you can make them GIFs. There's so many things you can do. And if I was to teach everything, this video would not end. So a lot of the other things, you might have to watch other tutorials, and I will make subsequent videos to teach more on things. But I'm going to give you a rundown of how my Notion is curated to give you some form of inspiration. Pinterest also has really good inspo for Notion tutorials, Notion ideas. So I have my weekly planner. I have a quote up here. These widgets you can get from external sources. There is some are powered by companies, some are powered by individuals. So you just have to go and Google for aesthetic Pinterest widgets and you get all these. You can add photos. We know how to add an image. You can add all these widgets, your to-do lists, and so much. You can also create the databases, but I'll teach you how to create a database in subsequent videos. But as long as you have the base things, how to create a page, how to add an image, how to do a to-do list, how to create a calendar, then you have most of what you need to know about Notion down. I know this might not be the best explanation considering that I might know how to create a Notion, but teaching is a whole different ball game. I hope I've been able to help some people in creating a Notion board or even getting comfortable enough to learn about Notion. My name is Mariam Jasmine Saka. I love everything productivity, and I hope to see you in subsequent videos where I speak on other things and other topics, or I teach you more about Notion. Thank you for watching my first video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section and I'll be willing and happy to answer them. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.